I left Koh Samui yesterday. It just didn't sit right.
Oh my god. Jesus.
So I came here instead. And already, this feels different.
My favorite place on earth. Buenos dias, campeones. We're starting the day with the gym session because the gym closes early today, closes at 6. This is one of my favorite gyms on this island. Alright, today I got my coolness factor on. Let's ride, baby. I was thinking of heading to a lot of stuff today, like waterfalls and stuff like that. But I'm not doing any of it. I'm going to the beach, baby. And you know why? Because I can. I've DJ'd in this place a couple of times. It used to be really good. It was one of the most popping beaches in the whole island. Now it's only working kind of during full moon. The past years, up to COVID at least, it's been totally empty. It's not much going on here, you know. They try to play music and stuff, but usually it closes early. I haven't been there now, like maybe it is better. But just a couple of months ago when I was here, it was the same thing. Like the whole beach already like 9, 10, it's a few people sitting and drinking, chilling, but there's nothing happening. And then like 10, 11, it's closed, everything. You know.
Turn right.
Oh, a little cramped the streets. It's beautiful, man. I love this. Palm trees, sun, happy people, beautiful coastlines, beaches, food. You have it all. Wow. I've seen this 1,000 times and every single time is breathtaking views. Amazing. I'm happy I took the decision to actually come to Koh Phangan and leave Samui. This is so much more chill. This is more my vibe, you know. It is so beautiful. That says Bottle Beach taxi. Warning, motorcycle normal camera cannot be driven up. Yeah, this is really steep. I'm not going. it is, the road is washed away also. You can see like it's way too complicated. You know, when it rains down this dirt road, it creates this like canals, like really deep canals. So it's quite dangerous. Yeah, I was thinking I'm only going to the viewpoint, not the beach. So I was thinking maybe I just I can go.
You go back left here.
Okay.
Left you park in a cafe.
Yeah, is this this viewpoint?
Yes, you park in here.
Okay.
Park in a cafe. You walk in 25-minute viewpoint.
Okay. Yeah, it says here 20 minutes, but better there.
You go
Yeah.
back left.
Okay. Thank you.
Here only big.
Yeah. You know if this is the way the viewpoint?
Yes.
Up there?
The viewpoint is pretty cool there.
Yeah?
If you
Cool.
go to the rock, first rock, go right. Go
Yeah. Thank you, man. Jungle trekking.
That would be actor.
Well, that was fun. Okay, let's see if I can get it down. Oh, fuck. I broke it. So that was the story of my drone. No more drone. Sayonara drone. Or maybe not. I just popped it in the kind of little socket on top. And it seems like it's following me. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's doing something.
Uns eingestehen wollten. Weil die haben den für sich beansprucht, obwohl das eigentlich unser Problem ist.
Smells like urination.
Нет, ты вот. Давай.
Я иду, ты.
Все идут.
Давай налево.
I need both hands for this. Fuck me, man. I really need both hands for this. Check out the fucking hell, mate. You can't see how steep it is, but trust me, it's just 90 degrees down.
Ja, nормально. А здесь, наверное, тебе туда. Здесь.
It was worth it. Oh my god. Jeez. Woo, my legs are. Adrenaline is pumping. Look at my hand. That was some scary shit.
How are you?
All good, all good. Are you?
Good.
It's super scary on the cliff, so you know.
Okay, thank you. Any dinosaurs or anything?
No dinosaurs. Maybe some flying elephants or something. I'm glad that is done. Listen to this bird. I don't know if you can see down the street here. The Australian guy crashed. No helmet, first time riding a scooter. Well, probably first time riding a scooter, but not much sense. Driving around in gravel without helmet. Now he's baptized. All right, let's go. Viewpoint done. Let's get something to eat and drink because I am starving and my mouth is bone dry. This place has massively grown since I last was here. Oh yes, my favorite barbecue chicken is here.
The mutton.
I'm in my happy place. Barbecue chicken, salad. I had one chicken extra for later and smoothie. Banana, pineapple, lemon smoothie.
I have a need to express myself. I'm slowly finding a way. Not louder, but through the loudest silence. With the sharpest round edges. something that shouldn't cut, yet it does. Pouring over inside the limits, like it refuses the shape it's given. And I keep looking for an end, something to hold it together. But there is none, only possibilities, stretching quietly in every direction.